Hey techies, welcome to the Tech House. We have got some big news from the Google. The CEO of Alphabet, Sundar Pichai, has tweeted something exciting launch in I/O 2021. We may hear something good about the custom-made Google Silicon 101, which may be featured in the first Google device, that is Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 XL, this year. Google I/O 2021 will be aired on May 18. It is reported that Google is working on its foldable device. We may see some foldable device from Google later this year. Also, we may see some wearables, that is Google smartwatch, this year from the Google, which may be competing with OnePlus smartwatch. While talking about the Pixel 6 leaks, it is reported that it will power Google Silicon 101 chip, or it may power Qualcomm Snapdragon 775G. Pixel 6 will follow the same Google trend of hardware. Its screen size will be 6.7 inch to 6.9 inch. Pixel 6 will have under-screen fingerprint scanner for biometric and security. Google is testing the ultra-wideband API on Pixel 6 series. Ultra-wideband technology is basically used for controlling the smart home appliances through the phone itself. We can transfer the data at higher speed through the ultra-wideband technology. Also, Google Pixel 6 will be the first device with Android 12. If you have enjoyed watching to us, make sure to subscribe to us and drop us like down below. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. I'll see you around. Peace.